Hello everyone, this is Joe. Welcome to Channel Tech. This is an unboxing video of mini tripod by Sima. Item number is sima st11k, and there's a basic instruction, and it's supposed to work with some cell phones with this clip. Let's unbox this. So here's the tripod, comes with a hand strap. And let's see, does the leg get longer? I guess not. Just set it up like this. And then if you're using a camera phone, here's the clip. So this part right here goes in here like this, and here's my phone that's supposed to clip like this, and the screw over here is actually I can't really figure out what it is yet. I will update as soon as I get some idea on what it is. So this one, I bought it from eBay for $13.99 plus $4.95, and $18.94 was total. And I think this is pretty good. I mean, it's not a really sturdy design, but I think Sima is kind of a known company as for a tripod, and the clip, it doesn't feel like it's gonna destroy it or anything, so it looks good. Alright, here's the update about the screw over here. If you unscrew it, you can actually take this part off. And what's the point of doing this? That we'll have to figure out. Anyway, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you later. Thanks.